All right. Leroy's at Illinois Guitar Festival. We got Uncle Al. Oh, he feeling it. Oh, we got Rico. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's it. Rico, we got E-Rock over there.
I don't shout.
Yes, you do.
But we will.
Earl.
Listen, you better get up.
Come on, bro.
You better get up.
Don't make me fade to a clip of you shouting. I'll get it.
You will not fade to a clip.
I sure will.
I got a clip also.
All right, bro.
Yeah.
All right.
Hold on. What's the song that you were singing? You got, what was the song? Come on and give God praise.
All right. Good show tonight. Good show.